All data of the vehicle and of the vehicle owner are entered into the system by an employee. After all data have been captured, the test instruction is printed out and automatically stored on the server. The order is attached to the car's windshield with the barcode facing forward. The barcode of the test application is scanned by a barcode reader. Optionally, IC Perform features a number plate recognition system via camera, which takes the place of the barcode reader. The data of the vehicle are retrieved from the server. When the main inspection process begins, this is indicated by the words "In Test" on a blue background. The next step is a visual check of the vehicle exterior. Any faults detected are entered at the terminal. For the burden of proof, a picture is taken of the vehicle by the system using a camera. By means of a 42-inch monitor, IC Perform instructs the vehicle operator to drive to the next station in the line. Here, he's instructed to drive onto the SA640 suspension tester. While the driver is doing so, the side slip test is carried out by means of the ST600 tracking plate, an indicator located upstream of the suspension tester. Chassis measurement detects the road adherence of the vehicle. The vehicle can now be driven onto the brake tester. Once IC Perform has started the measurement function, the driver begins the braking process. The brake tester also detects automatically whether a four-wheel drive is involved and, if necessary, switches to reverse rotation. This process is repeated for the second axle. Here too, the testers start and stop automatically. Furthermore, the detected values are automatically allocated to the active order. Remote control or operation by the inspector at the terminal are not necessary. The order is forwarded to the next station: exhaust measurement, noise level measurement, and pit visual inspection. The visual inspection below the car can be carried out either by a lifting device or from the pit. IC Perform is so flexible that several devices can be connected to the IC Perform ident. Emission test, noise level test, and visual inspection can thus be performed at one station below the car. After insertion of the probe on the BEISSBARTH 460 exhaust gas tester into the tailpipe of the vehicle, the exhaust test for CO, CO2, O2, HC and optionally NOx is started automatically. Parallel to the exhaust test, the noise level measurement can be performed. The next station is the automatic headlight measurement. Before the countdown ends, the driver has enough time to position the car in front of the headlight measuring device. At the end of the countdown, the fully automatic headlight measurement begins. By means of sophisticated sensor technology, the headlight adjustment device seeks the first headlight fully automatically. A display screen installed in the headlight adjustment device indicates to the driver that he must switch from high beam to low beam. Once the low beam and high beam lamps have been measured, the robot moves on further to fully measure the next headlight. The entire line is monitored by a surveillance system. The measured values of the individual stations are sent to the main terminal, which is the last testing station of the entire line. All the testing stations in the line are displayed on it one after the other. After each general inspection, the measuring values of the individual stations are evaluated and a test protocol is printed out. A further feature is the Bosch Security Surveillance System. This system enables monitoring of the entire testing line. The 20-fold optical zoom makes it possible to target each individual terminal. Employees at state-run facilities can control the camera remotely and remotely deactivate the testing line if a general inspection has been carried out incorrectly. With additional software, it is also possible to remotely monitor as well as control the testing line by means of a smartphone. BEISSBARTH IC Perform, the new concept for vehicle testing organizations, with multiple features for making general vehicle inspections fast, efficient and safe. IC Perform provides testing line software for the inspection of cars, trucks and buses. The software also includes an administrative feature for saving data of vehicles, vehicle owners, employees, test devices and test procedures. The server software enables connection to a central government database. There is also statistical analysis of the tested vehicles, of any defects discovered, and also of the inspectors themselves where efficiency is concerned. As an option, an online booking system is available. The maximum duration per test station amounts to roughly 2.5 minutes. The general inspection can thus be completed within less than 9 minutes. This is made possible by an automatic test stand start, test stand stop function, as well as by automatic data transfer between the testing devices and the IC Perform ident terminals. Use of the testing devices is facilitated by instructions displayed at the terminals. BEISSBARTH places great importance on intensive training of personnel before startup. Customized adaptation of language, font, testing device sequence, country-specific testing sequences and printouts are all agreed in advance with the testing organization. Remote access for changing official limit values, changing testing stages, service, maintenance and monitoring of the line is included in the standard scope of delivery. For the first time, testing line software has been combined with camera technology from Bosch Security. This enables a very high level of manipulation protection as a result of automatic data acquisition and camera surveillance. BEISSBARTH IC Perform, the new benchmark in the vehicle inspection sector.